18 forecast with meteorologist Chad Evans. Weather from where you live.
Live Doppler 18 is clear tonight on this very muggy night in the 70s with dew points in the mid to upper 60s. But a few scattered storms have been trying to pop here in central and western Illinois over the past 1 to 1.5 hours. And this is going to be the area where numerous showers and thunderstorms start to bubble up tonight. And at least a few up here in north central Illinois that affect us. But overnight tonight, I think the main severe threat area and widespread storm area is going to be just down to our southwest here in central Illinois and down into southeast Illinois. But throughout July, the main weather pattern was like this. Big trough of low pressure in the eastern U.S., cooler than normal temperatures with record heat in the west. But over the next several days, the weather pattern is going to change. The 90s will return as our Bermuda high sets up off the Atlantic seaboard, pumping in heat and humidity. And also, it's going to get warm at night. We had 16 out of 31 days in July with overnight lows in the 50s. But now it appears we could have several overnights in the 60s and lower 70s. And also, we've got a forecast that's going to feature quite a few thunderstorms as well. So let's focus on that first. Again, here's the current setup. Notice a few storms trying to pop here in western Illinois. This is going to be the area that a heavy to severe storm cluster pops tonight, moves southeastward. It's going to miss our area, but it's still at least a few scattered storms for us with 30% coverage tonight. After that moves through tomorrow morning, I expect another cluster of severe storms to form here in eastern Missouri and central Illinois tomorrow afternoon and evening. That will move southeastward and make clip areas mainly south of Lafayette by tomorrow evening. So let's take a closer look with Futurecast. Again, this is midnight and into the overnight hours. Again, at least a few scattered thunderstorms around. Not everybody's going to get rain. We'll have 30% coverage with the heavier rain staying to the south. For tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, pretty warm and humid, highs mid to perhaps upper 80s. There's that line of severe storms in central Illinois by evening. It will clip our southern counties potentially. We're going to have to keep an eye on this because there's always the potential this may shift. So if it does shift, it would increase our severe chances tomorrow afternoon. But at the present time, I still believe with the new data, it looks like it's going to be Lafayette points southward. That bears watching. And then any rain will pull out of here tomorrow night, and at least a couple of showers lingering in our southern counties Wednesday and Thursday. So increasing clouds, a few scattered storms tonight down to 68 degrees. Tomorrow, 86, clouds and sun mixed. At least some scattered thunderstorms around. And then at least a couple of lingering showers down in our southern counties for Wednesday and Thursday before we see another chance of a few more scattered storms Friday as our warm front goes through. And behind that warm front, we're capped, we're hot. And the hottest weather since June is on the way Saturday through Monday with highs as high as the